Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipop flower. Start by gathering lollipops, floral tape, green wire, tissue paper, scissors, and a ruler. Clear your workspace. Remove excess wrappers while keeping stick integrity, then wrap stick bases with a small piece of tape to stabilize. Cut tissue paper into petals sized to the candy, layer 2 to 3 pieces, and fold them around each lollipop to form natural-looking petals. Begin assembly by placing a prepared tissue petal around a lollipop and holding it at the base. Stretch floral tape slightly as you wrap down the stem to bind petals snugly without tearing the paper. Add a bit of glue if petals slip, then repeat for additional flowers. For sturdier stems, wrap green wire around the lower third of each stem and twist gently to lock. Trim excess wire and shape petals by fluffing them. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like to support more craft videos. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading patterns and craft blogs anywhere, with a bright screen and long battery life that fits in a craft bag. I use it to store project tutorials and inspiration when I travel between markets. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Once stems are secured, gently adjust each petal to achieve a balanced look and natural overlap. Add small green leaves cut from tissue or fabric and attach them near the base with a dab of glue or more tape. Group flowers into a foam block or tie stems with ribbon for bouquets and favors. For gifting, wrap the whole bundle in clear cellophane and add a personalized tag to complete the presentation with charm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.